So now that you've got your AGSub installed, that you've converted the video, and that you have VirtualDub installed with the plugins, it's time to put the subtitles in AGSub. So open up AGSub and go to Video and open the video of the penguins, and it'll be in the Real Player downloads. So here's the penguins, and the next thing to do is to load the audio from the video, so it's the second option. There we are. So let's now listen to the video and stop it when the commentator starts to talk. Okay, so we can see that the waveform starts here. So if we just click there and bring it over a little bit, and then we'll try doing about 3 seconds. And so it's very important to commit this change, because if you go and play again, this selection will just revert to what it was in the beginning, which is what we don't want. So commit it with this arrow, this tick here. And once it's committed, it will immediately form the next line. So what you want to do is click on the first line and now play the selection with this button here.
This recently discovered colony of penguins.
Okay, so penguins.
This recently discovered colony of penguins.
So you see there, I made that mistake of not committing. So I'll make sure I commit this time and play it again.
This recently discovered colony of penguins.
So now you go into this box and type the subtitle that you want. This recently discovered colony of penguins, and now you commit. Now you see it here. And the next subtitle, I imagine, will start here. And if you want to zoom out, you can using this. You can zoom out or in. And let's try just here and commit again. Go back and play it.
Is unlike any other.
Okay, is unlike any other. So you can type return. And now you're on to your next piece. So now we have a piece where there's no talking. So we just go here and play the video until we get to the part where the commentator talks.
They don't need to huddle together.
There we go. So it might be an idea to zoom out when you're doing that part. And we can see again by the waveform, it's quite clear where he starts speaking again. So put that there. And bring this one, say, over to here. Commit. Go back.
They don't need to huddle together every window for protection. They don't need to huddle together every window for protection against. They don't need to huddle together every window for protection against rapidity. They don't need to huddle together every window for protection against rapidity cold.
So let's see if that's right.
They don't need to huddle together every winter for protection against the bitter cold.
So every winter. And that's against. And we'll commit that, or just press return. So here you see you have your subtitle, and I'll just go and delete this one, in fact. So couper. Voila. So now you do this for the whole video, and of course you'll be translating it at the same time. To save the file, just go to Fichier, and here's very important to save the subtitles, to export the subtitles, okay? Because you want to encode it for French as ISO 8859-1, otherwise you won't see the accents that you put. So even though I realize this is an English subtitle, when you're doing it, encode it as this. Now you export it, and I'm going to put it in the same folder as the video. Okay, and remember, so name your file, not you have to name it SSA, and you do this manually, SSA, or it will just save as ASS, and save it. And now you can go out of the AGSub program